Did you know your body could be holding onto lead, mercury, or arsenic and you'd have no idea? Let's be honest, your body wasn't designed to store mercury like it's saving for retirement. But thanks to tuna, tap water, and even your house's dust, heavy metals sneak in. This isn't alarmist, it's just life. And over time, these metals can impact your energy, clarity, and gut health. Here's how to start a natural heavy metal cleanse. No weird juice fasts, no lab coats.
Step 1. Cut the easy sources.
Stop feeding the dumpster fire. Switch out high mercury fish, filter your water, and ditch aluminum-based cookware and cosmetics. Step 2. Eat for detox. Nature's got your back. Cilantro, garlic, leafy greens. These help your body trap and flush toxins. Think of it as nutritional jujitsu. Step 3. Sweat. But give credit where it's due. Sweat helps a little, but your liver and kidneys, they're the real MVPs. Exercise gets them fired up, so move with purpose, not just for that detox selfie. Step 4. Use a heavy metal detox supplement. Enter Zeolites. Micronized activated minerals with a negative charge, designed to bind and remove heavy metals safely. Mimi's Miracle Zeolites combines this power with 70+ trace minerals, supporting your body while cleansing it. No harsh effects, just gentle, science-backed detox. Step 5. Love your gut. A strong gut barrier keeps toxins from sneaking back in. Hydrate, eat fiber, use probiotics. Your gut's the gatekeeper, treat it like one. A natural heavy metal cleanse isn't extreme. It's smart, it's supportive, and it starts with small, intentional steps. Try Mimi's Miracle Zeolites today.